In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your search engine on Brave from Bing to Google. Currently, as you can see, if I search anything, I'm searching using Bing, and I'd like to switch my search engine to Google. If you'll find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. To do so, head over to menu here and then click on it, and then scroll down until you see settings. From settings, you will see a list of options on the left hand side here, and then under it you can see we have search engine option. Go ahead and click on it, and then this will expose your current search engine. As you can see, the current search engine is Bing. To change this, click on change icon here, and then you will see a list of search engines that are available for you. Go ahead and choose the one you want. For my case, I want Google, so I'll click on Google, then click on set as default. Now that has been done. If I go ahead and open a new browser, you can see now it is set to Google. So that's how you make a switch from Bing search engine to Google. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.